Hi everybody, just bringing you a quick video of one of the suites at the Marriott of Los Suenos. This particular resort is going to go on my all-time favorite list, and possibly my spoil myself as often as I can list whenever I'm in Costa Rica. So I had to come back to Los Suenos prior to heading back home. And the last time I came, I forgot to take a quick picture of my room, and I thought I'd do that real quick here for this particular trip, and also share it so that if any of you have an interest in having like a family vacation in Costa Rica and you're wondering where's a great place to stay, I would recommend the Los Suenos Resort. It really is nice, and they do a good job here in terms of the staff. So this just gives you kind of like a quick view of what it's like here. Okay? All right, so I think that gives a decent view. All right, you guys take care.